Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to create amazing cinematic images without using Midjourney. I've got a fantastic prompt formula to share with you that will level up your Leonardo AI game. Plus, we will break down the logic behind it so you can customize it to your heart's content. So, if you're ready, let's jump right into it. Before we begin, if you're interested in staying updated on AI tools and learning how to use them effectively, you are in the right place. We provide informative content and step-by-step tutorials on AI tools. Don't forget to please subscribe. Your support keeps our content coming. Now, let us get started. First, let's talk about those long, complicated prompts. They are not great because Leonardo AI often ignores most of what you write. So, we are going to focus on making short and powerful prompts that really work. Alright, let's dive into the formula. Here it is. Cinematic still, film by scene, subject, action, set, and a shot. For modifiers, you can replace cinematic still with phrases like film still, movie still, or movie footage. So for the example, I will use cinematic still. Next is the film by. The film by section is crucial, where you reference directors or filmmakers. This provides Leonardo AI with a clear vision of your desired style. Filmmaker references are powerful. By naming a director with a distinctive visual style, you convey a lot of information about the vibe you want, like how different directors like Wes Anderson, David Fincher, Tim Burton, and Guillermo del Toro can significantly impact your prompt style. So, cinematic still, David Fincher. Then, the next part of the prompt is where you describe your scene, subject, action, and set. This is where you paint a vivid picture of what is happening. Mention your character's appearance, the reactions, the set's details, and any props they might be holding. So, I will add here old rugged man holding a book, island. Next is the links section. It acts as a bridge from storytelling to technical details. Here, you specify whether the shot is day or night, inside or outside, and other location-based details. Think of it as the scene header slug in a screenplay. I will add here day, outside. In the shot section, focus on your shot composition. You can use standard call-out shots like wide angle, ultra-wide angle, satellite view, eye level, low angle, full body, close-up, over the shoulder, and two-shot. You can also mention lens, and f-stops if you are familiar with them. I will choose ultra-wide angle. So our prompt will be cinematic still, David Fincher, old rugged man holding a book, island, day, outside, ultra-wide angle. But before that, we will change the aspect ratios. For the true cinematic look, consider using an aspect ratio of 3:2 or 16:9. This will give you the widescreen feel that is perfect for cinematic images. Also, don't forget your model. I will recommend choosing either Absolute Reality version 1.6 Leonardo Diffusion or Dream Shaper version 7 since I see them more capable of making the image cinematic. Now, let us put our prompt formula to the test with Leonardo AI. Click on Generate. This is great, right? Another tip is, you can use an unzoomed image and HD crisp upscaler to make the image more cinematic and great. Let us try using various directors, styles, and settings to see how the images change. It is really amazing to see how Leonardo AI responds to different inputs. What are your thoughts on the cinematic images produced by Leonardo AI? Are you impressed by them? I am eager to know your perspective, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. So, there you have it, our powerful Leonardo AI prompt formula for creating cinematic images. With this formula, you can unleash your creativity and bring your visions to life. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for the next videos where we will dive even deeper into Leonardo AI. We will see you on the next video.